Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello cards for organization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Trello website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, select Create New Board on your dashboard. Choose a name for your board to reflect the project or purpose. Next, decide whether your board should be private, workspace visible, or public. Click Create Board to finalize this step. Now, it's time to add lists to organize your cards. Click on Add a List on your board to create your first list. Label this list according to the specific stage of your process, such as To Do, In Progress, or Completed. Continue adding additional lists as needed, following your workflow. Once your lists are set up, click on Add a Card under the appropriate list. Give your card a clear and descriptive title. After that, click on the card to open its detail view. In this detail view, you can add more information by clicking on the description section. You can also set due dates by selecting the calendar icon. To assign members to a card, click on the Members option and select relevant team members. If you need to add labels for better organization, click on Labels and choose the desired colors and names. To include attachments or links, click on the Attachment option and upload files or enter URLs. You can also add checklists within the card by selecting Checklist and naming it. Proceed to add checklist items by typing them out one by one. Once your card is set up, click Save to ensure all changes are recorded. To further enhance organization, drag and drop cards between lists as necessary. Regularly update your boards for optimal workflow management. Consider using automation features like Butler to streamline repetitive tasks. Explore power-ups to integrate other tools and enhance functionality. As your project progresses, keep an eye on due dates and update card statuses accordingly. Review and adjust your board structure as your organizational needs evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.